Oh my God, are you feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, and like you're always running on empty? You are not alone. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for every entrepreneur, setting boundaries to protect your energy. Hold tight, I'll be right back. Hey there, it's me, Stefan Burchard, the Bowtie Coach. I record and post inspirational and valuable business content here because I believe mindset matters most. Check back because I upload new content every other week. Hello, intropreneurs. Yep, that's a new word for you. I made it up. Today, we're discussing setting boundaries to protect your energy. We're going to explore practical strategies to help you maintain balance and thrive personally and professionally. As entrepreneurs, we often wear multiple hats and push ourselves to the limit. Without boundaries, we risk burnout and lower productivity. Setting clear boundaries is vital for maintaining focus, sustaining creativity, and most importantly, enjoying the entrepreneurial journey without compromising your well-being. The first step in protecting your energy is identifying what's draining it. Is it endless emails, back-to-back meetings, or constant social media interactions and notifications? Start by making a list of activities that leave you feeling depleted and determine how you can minimize or manage them effectively. I like delegation and task or process automation for tasks that don't need my full focus, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Next, prioritize those tasks that align with your business goals or contribute to your well-being. Implementing tools like time blocking can help you focus on high-value tasks during your peak productivity hours, ensuring your energy is directed towards what really matters. Like I just mentioned, I like delegation and task and process automation for those tasks that don't need my full focus. Learning to say no is a powerful skill for entrepreneurs. It allows you to protect your time and energy for tasks and projects that align with your vital priorities and talent. Remember, every time you say yes to something unaligned, you're saying no to something important that could truly energize or benefit you. So in effect, every no is a yes for yourself. If you're hungry for more tips and personalized strategies to fuel your entrepreneurial journey, join the LimitLESS Ignite community. It's a space designed to empower entrepreneurs like you with the tools to succeed without sacrificing wellness or personal goals. DM Ignite or click the link in the notes to learn more and to become part of this dynamic network today. Taking time for self-care is vital. It is non-negotiable. Whether it's a daily walk, meditation, or simply stepping away from your desk for a break, those moments recharge and enhance your productivity. It seems counterproductive, but it actually increases your focus and productivity exponentially, so you get more accomplished. For reals, try it out. Investing time in yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Remember, protecting your energy is key to sustainable success. So, set boundaries to support your goals and well-being. By doing this, you create a thriving environment where your personal and professional life can flourish. So, here's to your limitless success. Please pass this on to a friend or family member who's looking for that limitless future. Now, watch this awesome video about the birth of the Bowtie Coach. Bye! We're diving into a crucial topic for every is a powerful skill for entrepreneurs. Non-negotiable. I'm not doing that again. I just felt like doing that.